Hello, Principal. Oh, what are you doing here?
Children, sorry to disturb your break time. I am here to deliver a special message just for you, your 6D. Had always admired you, your 6Dians. Your teamwork, intelligence, and creativity is out of this world. Even though your population is only half of an ordinary year 6 class. I'm here to offer something special. I've created a deal with 4 subject teachers to collaborate and host a game just for you, your 6D, the dominance game. Game topics will relate to your current and last term studies. There will only be one winner. Whoever that fellow winner is will get 1 full week with
What do you
no
think,
homework.
your 6D?
Ooh, that sounds fun. We'll try to participate.
Good.
Welcome dear Parody. Year 6D Oh sorry, I meant year 6D. Let's get things straight. I'm the one in charge of the first game. Red light, green light, Cikal Cilandak edition. Let me explain the rules. All of you will have to move from the white edge of the green field to the other edge of the green field before the time runs out. I will sing this one song. Whenever I stop singing it, all of you will have to pause and perform a Cikal Cilandak pose, just like what we learned in term 1. If you move, you'll be eliminated. Understood?
Oh, this is gonna be hard.
Kecoa kunci tiang bendera. Cimur.
Kalisa has been eliminated.
Kecoa kunci tiang bendera. Kecoa kunci tiang bendera. Congratulations, you managed to survive. All of you now are able to proceed to the next game.
What about Kalisa? Is she going to be alright?
No, sadly Kalisa has been eliminated from the game. Is that clear? Our next game will be related to music. It will take place at the basketball court at the west.
If it's music, then it won't be that hard, right?
Let's just see for ourselves.
Are there tables in the basket court?
I think the more suitable question is why is music in basketball court?
Good question.
Welcome, year 60.
First, it was on Vivid. Now it's on Calvin.
Now's challenge is music. Today we will not be doing chord progression or a complicated melody improvising. Instead, we'll be guessing some songs I believe that are easy to guess for you guys. So yeah, the songs will be played for you guys to try to guess the song, and you guys will have to write it on your guys' paper, and then after that, after the time is done, if you guys haven't guessed it yet, you're dead. So yeah.
Come on, guys. This will be easy, right?
Don't forget what happens if we get eliminated.
Exactly, let the game begin.
I know the song.
That put to sea. The name of the ship was a belly of tea. The winds blew up.
Few moments later.
All players pass the game.
We all made it. This is what we should be grateful for.
Yes, good job, class.
We have some hope to win.
Hello, year 60. It's Bahasa Indonesia time.
Mrs. C, you're involved?
Is that troubling you? I have made this activity just for you, year 60. Let me explain the rules of the third game. All of you will have to guess the type of every paragraph or article I read. I prepare tables for each and every one of you. On the table, you will find a big button for you to answer. You have to press the button as fast as possible before all your friends do. If you manage to answer the paragraph correctly, you will be rewarded with a point. But if you answer it wrong, you will not be added with any points. Your points will be counted when the time runs out, or when the timer finishes. You require at least 3 points to continue to the next game. If you don't pass this requirement, you will be eliminated.
Thank God point deduction doesn't apply in this game.
Do you all understand?
Sorta?
Yes, miss.
Fenomena macet sudah biasa dijumpai di beberapa kota besar di Indonesia. Hal tersebut dapat dikarenakan beberapa sebab diantaranya adalah volume kendaraan yang sudah tinggi dan melampaui target kapasitas jalan. Selain itu, tingkat kesadaran warga yang kurang disiplin, serta masih banyaknya aparat yang kurang tegas menindak pelanggaran penggunaan jalan yang semakin mengakibatkan lalu lintas tidak berkendali. Apakah tipe paragraf ini? Alina boleh menjawab.
Lima deduktif, Miss.
Tuh Alina, 1 poin untuk kamu. Hasilnya sudah ditentukan berdasarkan jawaban kalian. Alina menjawab 2 yang salah dan 2 yang benar. Altaf menjawab 1 yang salah, 3 yang benar. Gana 1 jawaban salah dan 3 yang benar. Rafaelo 3 jawaban benar, 1 salah. Tasha gak ada yang salah dan 4 jawaban benar. Ruben 3 jawaban salah dan 1 jawaban benar.
Alina has been eliminated. Ruben has been eliminated.
It's all up to us, Gana, Tasha, and Altaf. Now, let's do our best to survive the next game.
Come on, Year 60. Everyone, please prepare your math book and stationery.
Miss Dia?
Yes, Tasha. Why do you seem surprised?
Wait up, miss. I have to get my math book. Give me a sec.
Come on, guys. Every time I always tell you to prepare your math book and stationery before the session starts. Please keep that in mind and not let that happen once again. Today, all of you will be playing the game of death. In the first round, you will take out a math question from the jackpot of questions over here. If you fail to answer this question, you will get eliminated from the game. Whoever is able to pass the first round will proceed to the second and last round, in which I will explain further information when the time comes. Understood? You're 6D. I am talking to you guys, not the wall.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Now, I need all of you to pick out a question. Remember, I will not accept any work without the strategy and steps. I want you to not just state the answers to the questions, but also state how you found the answer and show all your marks and doodles. I'll be setting the timer to 2 minutes for the first round. And begin!
What is the last term subject? Algebra. I'm sure we can do this. It's not other than simplifying, right?
Do you know the consequences of not answering this question correctly?
But if we believe ourselves, I'm sure we can do this and get out of this game of death.
Let's see what all of you are capable of.
What if? Just what if? What? No one is online on Discord to help me. I'll just use a calculator on my phone.
What is that I see? Is that a mobile device and calculator you're using?
Oh no.
Altaf has been eliminated.
I think all of you are familiar with this rule. Mobile devices, calculators, and help from other people are not allowed in tests like this. Alright, year 6D, the time is up.
No, not done.
Then you shall be eliminated.
Natasha has been eliminated.
Gana, Raffaello, please lend me your answers. I am pleased to announce that both of you have passed the first round. You shall now proceed to the next round.
The same rules about to apply the same way.
Says who? The second step must be harder than the first one. I have written a question on the whiteboard. You both will compete to solve this word problem before the time runs out. You have to do this correctly and faster than your opponent. As for the time, don't you think a little tiny deduction should be made? Your time to answer this question will be deducted from 120 seconds to 90 seconds or 1.5 minutes.
Is it realistic for us to do something like this?
You may begin to solve this question.
What kind of question is this? 4 seconds. You know what?
There isn't enough time.
Now, the time is finally up. Let's see over here. Wrong! Both of you are wrong! I don't even understand how you got this answer. Now then.
Raffaello and Ghana has been eliminated.
Is this possibly too hard? I can't believe it. All of them are eliminated. All this time, I've been teaching them for absolutely nothing. All my hard work to waste.
These. No! My God.
10 more seconds.
Oh man, this is the last term.
I can't believe it. No, I didn't fall. Ah!
It's true. For you to answer. Oh my god!